Hi, today I am going to show you how the clamp rules works for an attribute set in EasyGas. Let's take a very common example. A character has current health and it should never be higher than max health. The same idea applies to duration, stamina, mana, basically any gameplay resource. EasyGas lets you set up this behavior literally in a couple of clicks. I'm using the standard shooter project template. First, let's create an EasyGas attribute set. And open it. Now we'll add two attributes. Health current and health max. Now we are ready to use the rule. Next, open the class defaults panel and create a clamp rule. For this attribute affected by this rule, choose current health. Compile before. Then set up the range. Minimum value const 0. Maximum value use attribute health max. Regarding policy, the policy, what it does. Imagine your character has full health 100 out of 100. You get a buff and your maximum health increased to 150, for example. As a player, what do you expect? Probably that your health stay full, right? That behavior is handled by the KeepRelative policy. A different situation. Your character has a maximum carry weight. If you get an upgrade that increase max weight, you don't expect your current carry weight to change. This is the KeepAbsolute policy. Of course, these policies don't cover every possible use case. For more complex logic, I recommended creating custom rules instead of using clamp. So our stuff is ready. Let's test it. Save, compile, and I'll create a simple health over time gameplay effect to check it. Gameplay effect heal over time. This will be infinite gameplay effect with period 1 second, for example, and we want to modify current health attribute, and each second we will add 5 health point. Next one, we should to apply this effect to the character. Let's go to the character, add ability system for it, and add effect on begin play. Apply gameplay effect to self. And next one, we should to initialize our attributes. Let's add an initialization table. Data table. The author set. Attribute metadata. We can copy path here and add base current value 50, for example, and current health max will be 100. Okay. Next one, let's create a small UI widget to display health. Blueprint, user widget, VBP, health indicator. Canvas. It is just very simple indicator which will be display owner's health. Player's health. Current max format text and current max. Finally, let's the widget through the HUD, custom HUD. Create HUD, BP my HUD, mistake, HUD, okay. On begin play, I'll create widgets, house indicator, add to viewport, and let's set up it on game mode. Okay, let's check it. Wait for limit. Yeah, this works. Thank you for your attention. See ya.